Good morning, all of you. Welcome to your SST class. And students, today I am continuing your chapter 5 of geography, that is energy and mineral resources. In my previous videos, I told you about that what are minerals and where we find the minerals in the different type of rocks, in which forms that is. Okay, under which हमने ये पढ़ा था, that is in igneous and metamorphic rocks there is minerals are found into veins and lodes, and in sedimentary rocks minerals are found in the form of beds or layers, and there are some residual mass of weathered material like bauxite is found into the weathered material, and also in alluvial deposits. Okay, so today's my topic is distribution of mineral in our country. As we know that there is two type of minerals, the one is ferrous minerals and second is non-ferrous minerals. So first of all we discuss about the ferrous minerals and the distribution of these type of minerals. Students, keep one thing in mind, that from this chapter you have to be learn only the map. Okay, so today we are just practicing the map activity of this chapter. Okay, so let's start with the iron ore deposit that find into the various part of the country. First of all, you may know that the iron ore is in the two type of iron ore we have. One is magnetite, and second is hematite. These are the two type of ores that found in the different part of the country. Okay, and let us start here the distribution major iron ore belts in our country. If we look out about the belts of our country, in belts of iron ore in our country, there is the very first belt is Odisha Jharkhand belt. Why we have to be read these belts? Because these belts are very much important to understand the map. Okay, so let us read these belts only belts को read करेंगे, not nothing more than it. First is Odisha Jharkhand belt. Odisha Jharkhand belt means iron ore that found into the states of Odisha and Jharkhand. In Odisha there is the districts are Mayurbhanj and Kendujhar. Districts are Mayurbhanj and Kendujhar, and in Jharkhand there is Singhbhum. बच्चे, आपको ये जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स के नेम है ये मैप में लोकेट करने में आसानी रहेगी अगर आपको ये याद होगा कि ये कौन से स्टेट्स में है. ठीक है, तो मयूरभंज एंड केंदुझर इज इन उड़ीसा. These two are the districts of Odisha, and Singhbhum is the district of Jharkhand. Okay, and there is also Gua and Namaudi. ठीक है, ये हमारे कहाँ के हैं? झारखंड के डिस्ट्रिक्ट हैं. लेट अस सी दीज बेल्ट्स लोकेशन इन द map of India. You have to be fill this map, okay, and paste this into your notebook. Here is iron ore fields. Iron ore mines are representing with this triangle, pink colored triangle sign. Okay, so let us see it. See here, this is Orissa and here is Mayurbhanj and Kendujhar. Keep one thing in mind, these should be in Odisha only. मैप में आपकी जो लोकेशन है प्लेस की वो थोड़ी बहुत आगे पीछे करेक्ट हो सकती है इफ़ दैट इज़ इन द सेम स्टेट. बट इफ़ यू चेंज द स्टेट, सपोज यू मार्क मयूरभंज क्रॉस द बाउंड्री लाइन ऑफ उड़ीसा की बाउंड्री लाइन को क्रॉस करके आपने बांग्लादेश में, वेस्ट बंगाल में इसको मार्क कर दिया, तो आपकी जो लोकेशन है वो गलत हो जाएगी. बट अगर आपने यहाँ की बजाय इसको यहाँ भी मार्क कर दिया तो भी आपकी लोकेशन ठीक है इफ़ इट इज़ इन उड़ीसा. ओके, तो मयूरभंज एंड केंदुझर इज़ इन उड़ीसा. नाउ हेयर दिस इज झारखंड एंड सिंघभूम, गुआ इज़ इन झारखंड and Singhbhum is also in Jharkhand. Okay, तो Singhbhum और Singhbhum यहाँ mention नहीं किया हुआ, you have to be mentioned yourself. Singhbhum and Gua is in Jharkhand. Okay, okay, yes. Now come on the next belt is, see here, दुर्ग बस्तर चंद्रपुर बेल्ट. दुर्ग बस्तर चंद्रपुर बेल्ट लाइज इन छत्तीसगढ़ एंड महाराष्ट्र. ओके, तो अब ये दोनों बेल्ट्स कहाँ हैं? छत्तीसगढ़ और महाराष्ट्र में. ठीक है, और यहाँ पर बस्तर जो है वो डिस्ट्रिक्ट है छत्तीसगढ़ का. ओके, सो come here in the map. Here this is Maharashtra and this one is Chhattisgarh. Durg is in Chhattisgarh, Bastar is in Chhattisgarh. Durg, Bastar, these two districts are in Chhattisgarh. Now here Chandrapur, it is in Maharashtra. It is in Maharashtra. तो यहाँ पर दो बेल्ट्स हैं आपकी, बस्तर, दुर्ग, बस्तर एंड चंद्रपुर. ओके, दुर्ग, बस्तर, बेलाडीला हिल्स ऑल्सो इज इन छत्तीसगढ़. ठीक है, एंड चंद्रपुर. दीज आर द 3 प्लेसेस ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़ एंड महाराष्ट्र बेल्ट. आपको लोकेशन लर्न करनी है ओनली, नथिंग मोर देन इट. And you have to be fill this map in your own map and paste them into the notebook. Okay, now come on the next is, see here, next is Bellary Chitradurga Chikmagalur Tumkur belt. नाम याद रखने हैं, बेलारी चित्रदुर्गा चिकमगलूर तुमकुर बेल्ट. इट इज़ इन कर्नाटका. इट इज़ इन कर्नाटका. कर्नाटका में आ जाओ नीचे, डाउन इन योर मैप. हियर वी हैव कर्नाटका. सो द आयरन बेल्ट इज बेलारी, चित्रदुर्ग, तुमकुर, केदारमुख एंड चिकमगलूर. जो मैंने बोली हैं वही डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स हैं, बेलारी, चित्रदुर्गा, तुमकुर, चिकमगलूर, केदारमुख. दीज आर इन कर्नाटका. ये आपने कर्नाटका में याद करनी है. इसके अलावा गोवा में मारमागांव. ओके, एंड रत्नागिरी इन महाराष्ट्र. रत्नागिरी इन महाराष्ट्र. ये हमारे सारे के सारे आयरन ओल्ड के लोकेशंस हैं. ओके, सो ऑल दीज आर ऑफ योर लोकेशंस रिलेटेड टू आयरन ओर. ये सारी की सारी आपकी आयरन ओर बेल्ट्स हैं. Now come on the next. Next is manganese. Now see here, manganese is also a very important mineral, ferrous minerals, and the manganese, the Odisha is the largest producer of manganese. उड़ीसा जो है वो लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर है मैग्नीज का. तो अगेन यू हैव टू बी लोकेटेड दिस इन उड़ीसा. हियर इट इज, दिस साइन इज representing manganese and manganese is in Odisha. Same केंदुझर and सुंदरगढ़, ये 2 डिस्ट्रिक्ट हैं उड़ीसा में. इसके अलावा मैग्नीज हियर इट इज़ इन बालाघाट, नागपुर एंड मैकाल हिल्स में बांद्रा. ठीक है, बालाघाट, नागपुर, बांद्रा, and here it is केंदुझर and सुंदरगढ़. ओके, ये डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स हैं. इसके अलावा नीचे आ जाओ, कर्नाटक में शिवमोगा. These 2 are the 3-4 are the main districts of manganese. Otherwise Odisha is the main producer of manganese in our country. Now come on the non-ferrous minerals. अब आ जाओ नॉन फीरस मिनरल्स में. नॉन फीरस मिनरल्स में जस्ट सी इन द मैप ऑफ आवर कंट्री. देखिए मैप में हमारे पास नॉन फीरस मिनरल्स में आ जाता है बॉक्साइट एंड मिका. Bauxite means aluminium, and mica is also a non-ferrous mineral. So let us read about bauxite. Bauxite हमें देखो कहाँ मिलता है. It is mainly found into the अमरकंटक प्लेट्यू, मैकाल हिल्स एंड द प्लेट्यू रीजन ऑफ बिलासपुर कटनी. ये इसके मेन प्रोड्यूसिंग एरियाज हैं. अमरकंटक हिल्स, मैकाल हिल्स एंड प्लेट्यू रीजन ऑफ बिलासपुर कटनी. See here in the map. Here is bauxite. Bauxite is representing this symbol with the square and a line. Here it is Katni, Amarkantak, Bilaspur. It is in Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Katni, Amarkantak, Bilaspur, Maikal Hills. One is in Orissa also, Koraput. These are the main producer of bauxite. Again, it is Katni, Amarkantak, Bilaspur, Koraput and Maikal Hills. Okay, so these are the main producers of aluminium, or you can say bauxite. Now come on, the last is mica. Mica is also a non-ferrous mineral. Okay, now the main producer of mica is here Rajasthan, Ajmer and Biwar. Ajmer is the largest producer of mica in our country. Ajmer and Biwar, Rajasthan. Okay, and the one more is here in Bihar and Jharkhand. There is Gaya in Bihar and Hazaribagh in Jharkhand. Gaya in Bihar and Hazaribagh in Jharkhand. These are the main producing area of mica. Okay, so all this is about your main minerals. ये minerals हैं आपके, the distribution of minerals in our country. This map you have to be prepared from this chapter. And now come on the second. The second is about the conventional sources of energy. Energy resources है हमारा next topic in the chapter. Energy resources, you all know what are energy resources. Energy resources means all the resources from which we are getting energy. वो resources जिनसे हमें क्या मिलती है, energy मिलती है, like coal, petroleum, natural gas, uranium and from electricity. These are our energy resources, and there we have two type of energy resources. One is conventional sources of energy and second is non-conventional sources of energy. So first of all, what do you mean by the conventional sources of energy? Conventional are those sources of energy that are non-renewable, जो नॉन रिन्यूएबल है एंड दैट कैन टेक millions of years to be renewed. They are conventional sources of energy. And in conventional sources of energy, there is very first source is coal. There are many type of coals that found in our country. Okay, but we are not learning about the type of coals. We just have to be learn about the distribution of conventional sources of energy. And here the main conventional sources of energy is coal, and second is petroleum and the natural gas. So let us read about the distribution of coal mines and petroleum fields and natural gas reserves. These three we have to be learned in our map. The first is coal mines. आज सिर्फ coal mines को discuss करेंगे, rest we will discuss in the previous video, in the next video. Okay, चलिए. Now coal mines. Coal is, as we all know, that this is a very important source of energy, and many things are depend on the coal, or we can say our maximum industries here that is depend on coal for getting energy. So the very first coal deposit is in Jharkhand, Bokaro, Jharia. These are the famous deposits of coal, Bokaro and Jharia. One is in West Bengal also, that is Raniganj. Okay, in Orissa there is Talcher. In Chhattisgarh, Korba. Then in Madhya Pradesh, Singrauli. And in Andhra Pradesh we have Singareni. Andhra Pradesh में Singareni. And in Naveli, Tamil Nadu में we have Naveli. These are the main coal fields in our country. I am repeating again about the coal fields. The first coal field is Raniganj, then Jharia, Bokaro, Singrauli, Korba, Singareni, Naveli. Students, I told you that you have to be filled these deposits, mines exactly in their respective states. ये रिस्पेक्टिव स्टेट्स में एग्जैक्टली आने चाहिए. यू डोंट हैव टू बी चेंज द स्टेट. आप एक चीज़ वाइल लोकेटिंग दीज प्लेसेस यू हैव टू बी कीप इन माइंड द नेम ऑफ द स्टेट इन विच दे आर फाउंड. डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स कौन से स्टेट में है ये आपने बिल्कुल ध्यान रखना है, अदरवाइज आपका मैप गलत हो जाएगा इन एग्ज़ाम ऑल्सो. सो रानीगंज, झरिया, बोकारो, सिंगरौली, कोरबा, तेलचर and Naveli and Singareni. These are the main coal deposits in our country. Keep in mind the coal deposits are in here only this line. In the eastern part of the country, main is in Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh. Okay. So this all about your coal deposits, and the rest we have to be learn in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.